what's up? Good morning. It's your boy Porter. Been to go see some this little spot by the rocks. They say the water splashes up behind you and it makes a nice little photo op. So we gonna see what's going on. You know, you gotta post up for a second and wait for the waves to come through. So that's what I'm doing, getting ready. Trying to make it over there. I don't know if y'all seen that cross, but there's a cross over there. You had to walk from down here all the way up there. All right, like it's gonna be a long walk. Still going, still going. Making a little pit stop. There's a secondary trail. Kind of want to see what's over here. You can see an island, a big rock in the ocean. All right, let's get back on the trail. See, there was a little intersection. I came from that way. I need to go that way to the cross, but this way led you to that. Let's continue this little hike. I'm excited to get to the top. Should be very worthwhile. It's a little warm outside today too. Still climbing, still climbing. Looks like we're getting closer. Almost. Back hurting, all that. Gotta fight through the pain, get to it. Bonjour. Bonjour. A little bit more, let's go. Almost there. I had to take a little pit stop, set up the tripod, and say what's up to y'all so I can catch my breath. You know, back hurting, legs hurting, but we're gonna continue the journey. Bon journey, yeah. This is the view from up here. Just a little bit more. Let's go. Finally made it. And I was really trying to make sure I got as many pictures and videos as I wanted because I was not finna walk back up there. Made it. What a challenge. Here we go. Hit it back down to the bottom. I don't know how long it may take. Bonjour. Bonjour. Should take just a few minutes. We'll be good to go. Bonjour. I just think everybody's reaction in this video is funny. This is once you get down to the bottom, you know, where you park at. I thought it was nice, so I decided to walk over there and check it out. It looks like really shallow water, but again, a lot of rocks. This part of Guadeloupe has a lot of rocks, but some of the best views, I feel like. I seen some fish in there. I think you can also see them. Then I seen some crabs. But that water was super blue and it felt warm. It felt nice. I really wanted to just hop in right there. They have a MLK Avenue here as well, and I seen that on my way back. Never had crepes before, but these were really, really cool to make, and they taste delicious. There's also one you put some rum on, you know, and you light it on fire. Pretty dope. And that's it for right now. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you.